Hello everyone, my name is Aditya, and last video we created the task file, and inside that we created the non-input functions, and today we're going to be creating the input functions. And let's just get started. So what we want to do in the input function is that there's going to be two parameters. One is going to be tag and the second one is going to be query. So tag is such that these are the tags, the day, date, these are the tags, and the query, whatever we say, suppose Google search what is uh, mitochondria, those things, whatever you're saying is going to be the query, and the tag is going to be trying to identify what type of group it is from. So first, define a new function named input function. Input function. Inside of here, put tag, tag, and query. Okay, and then inside of here, if Wikipedia in tag, let me just copy this, in tag, and then name is equal to str query, then it will be dot replace, and then we're going to replace who is, not us, who is with empty, and then what you're going to do is just type name is equal to name dot replace about, then replace that with again just empty. Now just copy this and then paste it about 2 more times or 3 more times, I think. And I think 2 should be fine. So now what you gotta do is just replace this with what is, and replace this with Wikipedia. Okay, and then in the next line, result is equal to wiki. Okay, yeah, we gotta import the module named Wikipedia, key Wikipedia dot summary name, and then sentence. Okay, my T is not working. Sentence equal to 1, or let's set it as 2. Then say result. Okay, now we have done this. Now we'll go inside of here and then we're gonna create a new tag which is gonna be Wikipedia. It should be the same as this or else it's not gonna work. So just copy this and paste it over here, Wikipedia. Now whatever you have written here, it should be the same over there because we're just gonna be replacing that with empty or nothing. The first one is who is, what is, and the last one is Wikipedia. Then change the response to Wikipedia. So now go inside Jarvis, and now we're going to be importing input function. I've already written this. So tag and query. Let's see, yeah, input function. So now go inside here, lf wikipedia in reply input function. Now inside here is going to be reply and result. Let's just run this. I already have the train.pth file. I'm gonna have to train for that, but I've already made the file. Okay, hello. Okay, so we're gonna experience. Okay, okay, let's just remove sentence. Let's see if this now works. Hello.
Hey,
Who is Elon Musk? Hmm. Elon Musk. Uh, what is this? Hmm. Okay. Okay, let me just pause the video and let me just correct it and I'll show you. Okay, so I got it fixed. Do not add the replace. Uh, what it does is starting to remove some of the other letters. I do not know why. It was turning Elon into E on Musk. I do not know what was happening there. But now I have it fixed. Just type this in and it will work. Let me just show you. Who is Elon Musk?
Elon Musk, the CEO or owner of multiple companies including Tesla.
There you saw it, it was working now. So next we're going to be doing a Google input function. So elif Google in tag, Okay, sorry, I had to pause the video, but yeah, it should be in tag. And now inside of here, what we're gonna do is just type query is equal to str query, and now dot replace Google, and we're gonna replace that with another empty. Now query is equal to non str. Just type in query dot replace search. Okay, what is happening? Search, and just replace that with nothing. Now we're gonna import another module named pywhatkit. So just go up there and there's the pywhatkit. I've already imported it. So what you're gonna do is just type py, this one, pywhatkit dot search, search. Now inside of here is gonna type in query, and over here in intents just copy this, C, Control V, save. Now change this to Google, change this to Google, change this to Google, change this to Google. Okay, what just happened? Google search. Okay, what happened here? Google search, and just erase this one. Okay, now go over here and type another one, lf Google, and reply input function, reply, and result. Result. Okay, let's just run this. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Google search, what is photosynthesis? Okay, so it's done loading, and it is, there you go, it has been loaded in. So everything is working perfectly, and I think for today's video that's enough. The next video we're gonna be doing the extra features, and that video is gonna be live. So actually, let me just show you what's inside of here. So the first extra feature that we have is food delivery. We're gonna be creating a food delivery system. Next is a alarm system. We're gonna be adding science and maths using Wolfram API. I'll show you that in the next video. We're gonna be creating a chat and calling system using WhatsApp because there is a module that you can do for calling, but I think it's paid, so I'd not recommend using that. You can do web automation such as sending Gmails, and then you can do home automations such as turning on the light. You can turn on the Bluetooth speaker across the room, things like that. Or you can tell Jarvis to play something on the Google speaker or the Google Home, something like that. I'll be showing all of them how to do them, or if you want, I can help you with them. You have created them, and I'll just help you in the live stream. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.